Hi, my name is Rula Yaghmour. I'm an architect and I've been practicing architecture for the past 10 years. This is Saif. Saif works with stone. We met 5 years ago in his family's fabrication factory. We got married. And since then, I've been experiencing another kind of marriage between stone and architecture. Saif is responsible for extracting those blocks out of the mountains, and I'm guilty of specifying them onto the buildings we design and construct, which is not the most sustainable practice, but a very common practice, especially in our region. When you visit their factory premises, you cannot miss the al-maqbara. Al-maqbara, or the graveyard, houses tons and tons of waste material and surplus that comes out of this industry and out of the construction projects. So I've been always been astonished by the scenery of this graveyard, especially the image of tiles being stacked above each other. And I think it resonates with the image of natural stone in its natural layers and how it comes in a beautiful, homogeneous way. So I think this gave birth to the idea of our project. Our project is based on a simple concept. We reassemble blocks out of the waste. The blocks are brought together with special adhesives and compression, and then different designs can be carved out of those blocks that come in different variations and in different sizes. Cherry was the first prototype to be carved out of the first block. We chose this product because this product actually was designed in the 60s by an artist, an American artist called Ronnie Horn, to experiment concrete as a material and how it acts in a hyperbolic form. So, and for me, testing this project and testing this material or medium was a necessity. When you stack different natural layers above each other, each layer would act in a different way, as each layer has its own characteristics and its own properties. So we needed to test this block as a whole under the heavy machinery of the fabrication tools, and to fix all the problems that came out when dealing with it as a whole. So we, especially in the final stages of the manual polishing and finishing up of that product, to present a medium that is homogeneous as well. So Kutleh was launched in Amman Design Week, second edition last year. And Kutleh is an Arabic word that means mass or block. I think this was the heaviest mass in Amman Design Week. It weighs 600 kilograms, and I wanted it to actually resemble a block, a stone block. As heavy as it was, people's engagement was light and light-hearted. Kids thought of it as a slide and enjoyed the smooth surface. Many people lined up to take photos with this, sitting on this chair. In parallel to Amman Design Week, we launched the first design series. These are lamps. These are actually IKEA lamps, and we hacked them. We did a simple IKEA hack by trying different geometrical shapes that hacked the IKEA lamps using the Kutleh medium. By the end of Amman Design Week, we had to send the chair back to Sahab, to its home. And I was worried that people would start associating this project with a product rather than seeing it as a new medium or as a redefined raw material. So we started working on developing the block by itself, or the material, and trying to brand it with different colors and different variations. So we took this project to last April to Milano, to Milan's Design Week. We exhibited the project in the Salone Satellite of Salone del Mobile in Milan Design Week. It's a platform for launching young, emerging projects and designers. So we had to ship this massive chair and to present it as a new medium, a new stone block. With this block, we launched in Milano the second series, the second design series, which is a collection of vases. Those vases started from the same cube, the same stone cube of a reassembled cube, and went through different formations and transformations to see how they would act differently with different colors and different stacking orientation. So we came up with actually six blocks. Each vase presented a different block. You have origins, Petra, which is the red block, for example. Neve is the gray block. Quds is natural block. It's made from Jerusalem stone, powder, and earth. So this is vase number 1, and it's an eclectic origin block. This block is the same block that we carved out the chair out of it. So it houses like natural materials from our region mainly. So the idea is from those blocks, those different blocks, you can carve out whatever you want. And I was really happy that in Milan, designers were approaching us saying, oh, I can see a table in Neve, or I can see this chair in another kind of block. So people got the idea or the intention of that project. Our next project is called Ulla. We're part of a curated exhibition that will be exhibited in La Triennale di Milano, the Design Museum of Milano, and they'll be visiting Jordan as well. We're doing objects that are used with water to celebrate water, so would love to see you all. And for the last 20 seconds I'd like to say that I'm really happy working on this project. It's a simple idea, but I believe that simple ideas are just the best ideas, and I can see endless kinds of products and creations being carved out of Kutleh. So thank you.